Reflation, animal spirits geared to global growth. However illusory a broad economic resurgence under Donald Trump may prove, the excitement of Japan equity brokers is real. America seems poised for fiscal spending, and for the first time since Abenomics lost its branding power, they have a simple Buy Japan theme to flog. It will be fine until foreign investors go back to pondering domestic wages, consumption, and the implication of Japan's empty tumble dryers. For now at least, Japanese stocks have danced happily to the confused cacophony of a Trump victory, judging that US-led global reflation could boost the profitability of key Japanese sectors, especially if the yen continues to fall towards 110 against the dollar, as it did on Monday, despite surprisingly strong GDP numbers. The TOPIX is up more than 8% since the acceptance speech and closed on Monday at 1,400 points for the first time since April. Since election night, Japan's banks, brokerage, insurance and shipping sectors have been huge outperformers of the index after spending the previous 10 months moping with the worst. If things do fall out, as the brokers predict, there is more upside potential. Japan is indeed geared to global growth, and even now the banks and insurers are cheap. The problem, as foreigners have shown by selling 7.5 trillion yen of Japanese equities this year, is that bullishness on Japan only lasts until everyone remembers how reluctant both corporations and households are to convert all that global upside into domestic boom. Tumble dryers are a recent tell. More than a third of households own one, says the government, but energy companies estimate that 60% of dryers are never used at all, partly because of the average 45 yen price of doing so. Official figures may show steady progress on wage growth, and workers' compensation is up by 10.2 trillion yen since the start of 2015. But the mindset remains one of cowering mistrust that the good times can ever last. Consumer spending is basically flat, and those rising wages flow into households that seem to view just 45 yen as too high a price for the convenience of rapidly dried clothes. For the recent rally in Tokyo equities to make the kind of sense that the brokers would love it to, Mr. Trump must somehow convince ordinary Japanese that his presidency has the capacity to make Japan great again.